Hi everyone and welcome to my channel Wraparound Plus, and if you're new here, my name is Angela, and in today's video I'm talking about something super important: common fashion mistakes that plus size women make, but most importantly how to fix them. Okay, in at number one are baggy or oversized clothes. So baggy, oversized clothes, I think we've all been guilty of wearing baggy, oversized clothes. I'll show a photo of me here wearing a parachute dress. Now, I get that some women want to cover themselves up. I fully understand that, but you don't want to go for items of clothing that are too big. I personally feel you're attracting more attention. So how would I counteract this? I would pick something that's more flattering, more fitted, obviously not too tight, and in nice, comfortable fabrics. So that as well isn't going to make you uncomfortable. So something like an A-line dress, or a blazer, a fitted blazer would be lovely. Again, I'll show some footage here of me in a sea salt dress that's more fitted, and I would normally pair that with like a long line cardigan. Okay, in at number two are really large prints that overwhelm. Another mistake that us ladies make are wearing prints that are too bold, like the florals are too big, the pattern, the geometric patterns are too big. I'll show a footage of me wearing a dress, a two dress from Sainsbury's. Now I actually like the dress, I kept the dress, but if I wear it on its own, the prints I think are too big for my small frame, being petite, being 5'2", and then being a plus size woman. Now, how I combat that is that I put on a black long line cardigan over the top of it just to break the pattern up. So that would be my advice. My other piece of advice would be try to go for smaller prints, because the smaller the print, the more flattering it will be on a plus size figure. Okay, in at number three is ignoring proper undergarments. Okay, so what do I mean by proper undergarments? What I personally would advise you to get is plain underwear. So try to avoid lacy, patterned underwear garments. Try to avoid them other than in the bedroom if that's your preference, but I would go the plainer the better. So plain bras, I've got I just invest in black and nude skin colour bras. So I've got this black bra from Marks and Spencer's. So it's padded, which is great, but actually on the bust area it's just very, very plain material, so that's not going to show through on your garments. This particular bra isn't underwired, but I'd still like it because I do feel I'm supported with it being padded. I've equally got the same bra but in a skin colour, but on this one from Marks and Spencer's, again it's a padded bra, but it's underwired, so it's giving me that extra support. Now if you want to wear where is it? If you want to wear a bra in bed, so you still want that support, then by all means wear one of these bras, you know, like the comfort bras that's more like a vest bra. I don't normally wear a bra to bed, but if I feel, you know, if I do, which is very, very rare, then I would wear this sort of bra just so that the underwire isn't cutting into me and this elastic isn't too tight around the chest area. Now talking about bras that I would avoid, I picked one up for you. So this is from Marks and Spencer's. The size I normally wear is a 44 double D. So this is, it is a really, really pretty bra, and it's lacy, but on delicate garments you're going to see that lace come through. So I just wanted to use that as an example to show you. For your knickers, going back to Bridget Jones' Diary film, the big high waist knickers, again, very, very plain cotton. You can't go wrong with these sort of knickers. If you're wearing a skirt or a dress and you don't want one of those full body shapewear suits, these, you know, what I call like a cycling shorts, I've got these in a 2XL in a nude colour, and I often wear these, particularly on these videos. So I would highly recommend you get a pair of those. And then also what I've got here is one of the full body shapewear suits, and it's got the, I'm trying to show you, the leggings at the bottom here. It's got a tiny little hole at the bottom for you to urinate through, but I don't like that. I only tend to wear these when I'm shooting videos, and like with this type, it hooks right under your bust area, so you wear your bra and then it just scoops around under your bust. And I've got this in a nude colour as well. So that would be my recommendation for underwear. Try to avoid patterns, bright colours and lace that's going to potentially affect your outer garment and how it's hanging and wearing on you. Okay, in at number 4 are wearing clothes that are too tight. So on the flip side, it's wearing something that's too tight. Again, as with what I was saying with wearing things that are oversized, I think we've all worn something that's too tight, and it's evident it's too tight to you, to everybody else. It makes you feel uncomfortable, you're conscious, you're forever fiddling around with your garment. That is so distracting for everybody around you. And it makes you feel uncomfortable because you feel like you're going to pop out at any point. Or if you're wearing something that's too short or sort of too tight around the stomach or the bottom area, you just become conscious. Your whole evening or your whole day is just spoiled because you don't feel right. So how would I avoid that? Again, as with the oversized garments, wear something comfortable, wear something that's just skimming your body and that you do feel comfortable in, so that you're not adjusting yourself throughout the time that you're out and about. Number 5, ignoring the power of accessories. Sometimes I think we can forget just how elevating accessories can make an outfit, and by skipping the accessories, it kind of makes the outfit feel incomplete. And so I always like to wear earrings. I think you'll always see me with earrings on in my videos. Occasionally I like to wear necklaces. I'm not so much a necklace person, but if I was going out to a special event, then I would wear a necklace. But it's equally matching up, trying to match up your bag, your shoes, if you've got a belt or a scarf. It's just remembering those small details, like trying to marry in to just completely complete the look. And please don't think you've got to spend a small fortune. You don't. I don't. I absolutely adore a necklace that's on Bowden at the moment. It's £50. I'm not paying £50 for the necklace, but I will look around in other areas to see if there's anywhere else that sells something extremely similar. But for example, this necklace that I've got on today, I bought that at a charity shop for £1. So you can source these things at reasonable prices. I've bought a lot of my necklaces at charity shops or at boot fairs. I don't see the point in paying £20 upwards for something that, you know, you're only going to wear occasionally. And my earrings, I've purchased quite a few, particularly for this video, from Temu and from Shein. And again, like for example, these I think were 50p. and range up to a couple of pounds. That I don't mind, I'm not breaking the bank. But equally, I have got some earrings that I have spent that bit more on, sort of like 20 to 30 pounds. But again, they're not my everyday sort of earrings. They would be for like special occasions. But it's just finishing off those outfits, you know, adding that pop of colour with a belt, with a scarf, etc. So it's just remembering those, and I just think that would complete an outfit. Sticking to only dark colours. Now, we all know black is slimming. I'm wearing black today, but we have to acknowledge that always wearing black is just a bit dreary. And thankfully, this season is offering us an array of wonderful, rich colours, like the burgundies, the olive greens, the suede, the leathers, the dark browns, the animal prints. I was going to say leopard prints, but it's across the board, it's animal prints. So do try, even if you incorporate some black with a bit of those more warmer colours, it just makes your outfit just that little bit more interesting and less dreary. Number 7, avoiding trends. Many women over 50 just think, oh, trends aren't for me. But that doesn't mean you have to stick with the old styles forever. The key is to mix timeless classics with seasonal trends. For example, in my last video, I did an Evans animal print try on haul, and you don't have to, if you looked at the compilation video that I did, you don't have to go for a full-on garment like I was trying on. You could go for accessories, you could go for a headband, a hairband, you could go for a scarf, or a hint of, say, animal print on a bag, or the shoes, etc. So if you've got a classic blazer or a suit and you feel comfortable in it, you can inject those seasonal colours like the burgundies, the olive greens, or the suedes, or you know, the leathers, the brown leathers, or equally the animal prints, and just inject a bit of life into some timeless classic outfits. Number 8, wearing the wrong shoes. Choose shoes that are comfortable and yet stylish. Try to obviously work with what's best for you, but block heels are a very good option, wedges, or just really comfortable chic flats. So try and think about the occasion that you're buying the shoes for and what would best suit the outfit that you're wearing. And there you have it. By avoiding these common mistakes, you will be able to elevate your style, feel comfortable, look amazing, whatever your age, whatever your size. And remember, confidence is your best accessory. When you feel good, you look good. Don't forget to hit the like button, and if you found this helpful, please hit the subscribe button for future fashion tips and inspiration. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.